Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to mute the original sound in 𝐤𝐸𝐞𝐞. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the video you want to mute the original sound of. So you're gonna click this plus icon on the bottom center and you just want to choose the video from your gallery which you would like to edit and click next. After doing this step, as you can hear now this video has sound. You're gonna click this edit icon on the right side of the screen to be able to edit this clip, and you either gonna click the sound icon next to the video and this mutes the whole video so it doesn't have sound now, or you can also just tap on the video, scroll to volume and just mute it manually by sliding it. You can also make it louder if you would like. So we just muted the video and you can either save it as a draft or just publish it. Now that you muted it, you can also click add sound and you can click one of the songs in 𝐤𝐸𝐞𝐞, and now you will only be able to hear the music and not the original sound. Alright, so all in all, this is how to mute the original sound in 𝐤𝐸𝐞𝐞.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.